Hey guys, it's time to talk about the 2018 edition of the Nokia 6, which will be unveiled sooner than expected. The mid-range phone, which recently passed certification with Chinese regulatory agency TANA, might go official on January 5th. The latest information comes from Sunning, one of the largest retailers in China. The official Weibo account of Sunning shared the following poster. It basically counts down the days left until the announcement of the Nokia 6. Earlier expectation was that the unveiling will happen in the second half of January, so the latest developments are a bit surprising, as you might know. HMD Global has a thing for releasing certain Nokia models in China before their global premiere. This approach gives us a very good idea of what to expect in the following months. If history repeats itself, we should see a global announcement for the Nokia 6 2018 at MWC 2018 in February. The new Nokia 6 is expected to pack a 5.5-inch FHD screen with a standard 16:9 aspect ratio. Some of the main specs of the handset includes a 6600 series of Snapdragon chipset, either 630 or 660, a 16-megapixel main camera which has single camera, 4GB of RAM, 32GB and 64GB of internal storage, and a 3000 mAh battery. So already made a video about Nokia 6 specs and leaks. Check out description for more information. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for daily tech videos. And see you soon.